Hey guys, this is your girl Sip. It has definitely been a minute, but welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you how to do Bantu knots with Marley extension. So I'm starting this hairdo on Not So Clean hair. I am using my rat tooth comb for the parting. The part style that I'm going for are those fan-like parts, and I am doing this on my own, so I really don't expect the parts to be perfect. I'm just trying my best to get a nice exotic look. I'll be using black protein gel to help with the hold. My hair is not so clean, so I'm not very picky. Then I'll be adding rubber bands, regular black rubber bands to help secure my roots. So I went through and I completed all my parts. Look at the sections, they're really cute. I like the way they came out. I'll be using the regular crochet latch hook that you use for crochet braiding. And here, if you notice, I loop it through under the rubber band, and I'll be doing two pieces of hair, one going across and one going from top to bottom to create like a cross look. So this is what I meant when I said I'm gonna twist further down, and if you notice I make my twist even a little bit tighter. So when I wrap for the knot, my knots start at, a firmer foundation. As I wrap, then I secure the roots. And I'm going to show you, I use rubber bands here to secure the roots in each knot just to make sure that they do not unravel. So I use my good old toothbrush to slick down my edges with my gel, and this is the look. I'll be adding some accessories to help bring up the look, and this is how we go. I really don't use a lot of edge control when I'm slicking my edges down, just not my preference. I like my edges look as natural as possible. Hey guys, this is the style. Please feel free to leave a comment below. I would love to hear your feedback. And if you have not yet hit that subscription button, feel free to hit that button to support your girl. Thank you so much for watching.